Welcome to SolarPath. We are proud to be a 100% Australian-owned and operated company, unlike many others. SolarPath has been operating for over 9 years, with thousands of jobs completed. With hundreds of 5-star testimonial reviews online about our company, we can assure you are in good hands. Do you know how solar works? Basically, we place the panels on your roof on the best angle. When the sunlight hits the panel, it produces electricity and travels into a box called an inverter, which is generally placed next to your meter box. The electricity produced is then sent inside your house to power any electronic appliances, such as your fridge or air conditioner. Any extra power that is not used goes back to your electricity company, and they buy the electricity off you. Isn't that great? Our process is very simple. Step 1. Leave your details on our website or give us a call. Step 2. Our consultant can either come and visit you, or you can come and visit our massive showroom. We then assess your roof and electricity bill to recommend you an accurate solar package. Step 3. Once you decide to proceed with us, we will have the system installed in a professional way, guaranteeing our work for the next 10 years from any defects. Step 4. You are left with a smile on your face and wishing you had done it earlier. SolarPath is available for the lifetime of your system with our continued 5-star after-sales service support. Let's be honest, don't you hate paying electricity bills? Now is the time to start your solar journey, and we would love to be a part of it all the way. SolarPath. Do it once, do it right.